Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, February 27th. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is called Burying and Planting. As always, I'm going to read through it and then we'll do a short reflection around it. For this particular practice today, you may want to have a loose piece of paper to journal on. So if you want to do it, grab it now. But of course it's not necessary. You can also just imagine. I'll guide you through the whole process. The culmination of one love, one dream, one self is the anonymous seed of the next. There is very little difference between burying and planting. For often we need to put dead things to rest so that new life can grow. And further, the thing put to rest, whether it be a loved one, a dream, or a false way of seeing, becomes the fertilizer for the life about to form. As the well-used thing joins with the earth, the old love fertilizes the new. The broken dream fertilizes the dream yet conceived. The painful way of being that strapped us to the world fertilizes the freer inner stance about to unfold. This is very helpful when considering the many forms of self we inhabit over a lifetime. One self carries us to the extent of its usefulness and then dies. We are then forced to put that once beloved skin to rest, to join in with the ground of spirit from which it came, so it may fertilize the next skin of self that will carry us into tomorrow. There is always grief for what is lost, and always surprise at what is to be born. But much of our pain in living comes from wearing a dead and useless skin, refusing to put it to rest, or from burying such things with the intent of hiding them rather than relinquishing them. For every new way of being, there is a failed attempt mulching beneath the tongue. For every sprig that breaks surface, there is an old stick stirring underground. For every moment of joy sprouting, there is a new moment of struggle taking root. We live, embrace, and put to rest our dearest things, including how we see ourselves, so that we can resurrect our lives in you. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can find a sense of freedom, a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now see if you can identify one aspect of your way in the world that has outlived its usefulness. Maybe it's a way of thinking, of feeling, of speaking, or relating. If you have this piece of paper for journaling, grab it now and write on it. Otherwise, do the same reflection in your mind. Either way, it's completely fine. Try to understand why you're still wearing this outlived aspect of you. And as you reflect on this, notice what starts happening in your body, in your heart, in your mind. No judgment. Just take in whatever comes up right now for you. Physical sensations, thoughts, emotions. I'll be silent for about a minute to let you connect directly with this experience without the distraction of my voice. What is the one aspect of your way in the world that has outlived its usefulness? And why are you still wearing? Now, if you journaled on a real piece of paper, or if you just imagine doing it, set an intention to symbolically bury it somewhere special. And as you do it, give thanks for how this outlived way has helped you to this point in the past. Connect to the new space that this little ritual has opened in you. The new open space where the outlived aspect of yourself used to reside. How does it feel now? Be kind to this new space in you. In due time, something new will grow here, something beautiful and useful, fertilized by the old way. Now place your hand on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Gently letting go of your practice, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with contemplation. Perhaps journal around it and maybe discover more aspects of yourself that have outlived their usefulness, and yet you still carry them. See if you can symbolically bury them, creating space to plant something new for yourself. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Wednesday, Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.